Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to claim your website on Pinterest. So open Pinterest, right? Head to your profile icon at the bottom right, and then hit the three dots at the top right. Okay, and all you gotta do is just hit settings. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit link to Pinterest. So unfortunately, the only option is to claim your Instagram account, not your website. So what you're gonna do is that if you link to your business Instagram account, it will take them to your website once they see your profile on Instagram, right? So if you have an Instagram business account with the same, basically with the same content, you're gonna link your Pinterest to Instagram, which will take the potential audience from Pinterest to Instagram, and there they're gonna see, of course, your website domain, and they're gonna just visit it or buy from it potentially. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.